This might be the most important video I have ever created. Years from now, when you have achieved things you never thought was possible, this could be the moment you look back on. The exact point where everything shifted, when you finally decide to take control. But here's the thing, for this to actually work, you have to do something for me. And it's to make this video full screen and give me your complete attention. And I know that most people won't do this, they will keep scrolling through the comments, checking notification and letting their mind wander. But those people won't change. If you're serious about fixing your life, prove it right now. Give this video your full attention. And the fact that you are still here tells me something about you. You're different and you want to change. And let me tell you where I was just a few years ago. I was just another teenager drowning in procrastination. Anything remotely difficult, I would just put it away, telling myself that I will do it tomorrow. Tomorrow became the next week, and the next week became never. I would play video games until 2 AM and then wonder why I had no energy. And I had dreams, big ones, but zero discipline to make them happen. But then something clicked. I discovered 5 principles that completely rewired how I operated. These 5 principles helped me to build a real business from nothing. A business that actually make me income while I'm recording videos like this. And I'm not special. I don't have some magic advantage. I just learned these 5 steps and actually apply them to my life. And if it worked for me, I am convinced it will work for you as well. Whether you want better grades, start a business, get in shape, or just master a skill. And the foundation of everything is habits, which is step 1, the habits. But not just any habits. We need to understand the difference between 2 types of activities that are literally fighting for controlling your life. And the first one is instant gratification. And these are activities that feels amazing in the moment, but poisoning your future. And these are things like scrolling on social media, binge watching Netflix, eat junk food. And they give you that dopamine hit immediately. And the cost is that your attention span shrinks. Your ability to focus evaporates. Your ambition fades. And then there are delayed gratifications. And these feel uncomfortable in the moment, but build your life that you actually want. Example, reading a non-fiction book instead of watching TV. Going to the gym instead of staying in the bed. Working on your project instead of scrolling. They are harder now, but they compound into something incredible. And here's what changed everything for me. I identified the 3 most powerful delayed gratification habits anyone can build. Number 1 is exercise. And I don't mean that you should become a bodybuilder. Start stupidly small. 30 push-ups in the morning. That's it. Number 2, meditate. Just 3 minutes. Just sit there and focus on your breathing. Your mind will wander, and that is normal. Just gently bring it back. And number 3, focused work. 50 minutes on deep work that actually matters. A project, your studies, learn a skill. No phone, no distractions, just focus. And here's a cheat code that most people don't know about. And it's that it takes around 21 days for your brain to accept a new behavior as normal. Just 21 days. But here's the trick. The time you spend doesn't matter at the beginning. 3 minutes of meditation is just enough. 30 push-up is enough. 15 minutes, 5 minutes of deep work is enough. Because we are not trying to fix your life over a night. We're just trying to make it past day 21. And once you hit that 21-day mark, these habits become automatic. They feel weird not to do. And that is where you can start increasing the intensity. But first, just survive the first 21 days. Pick a specific time each day. Same time every day. Maybe right after you wake up, maybe during lunch. It does not matter when. Just stay consistent. Step 2. Curate your influences. You have probably heard this famous quote that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. But the problem with that quote is that in modern world, we doesn't spend time with real people. We spend hours every day consuming content. Watching YouTube, scrolling Instagram, and following people we have never met. So here is the updated version. You are the average of the 5 people you consume the most content from. Just think about that. Are they improving themselves or making excuses? Are they inspiring you or just dragging you down? Your influences shape your belief about what's possible. If everyone you follow is average, you will believe that average is all you can be. If everyone you follow is exceptional, you will start believing that you can be exceptional too. So here is your action step. Unfollow people who aren't going anywhere. Instead, start consuming content from people who have done what you want to do. Read books from people who have achieved what you want to achieve. And this isn't about comparing yourself with others and feeling bad about it. It's about surrounding yourself with proof that your goals are possible. And step 3 is master your mental health. And this is a step most people skip. And it's exactly why most people fail. They focus on productivity. They are optimizing their schedule. They are working harder and harder. And they burn out and quit. Here is what they missed. Your mental health directly impacts your performance. If you are miserable, you won't do good work. If you're anxious and stressed, you won't think clearly. And if you're depressed, you won't have any energy to execute. But when you're actually happy, when you are mentally healthy, everything becomes so much easier. You have more energy, you think more clearly, and you can persevere through tough challenges. So how do we actually improve our mental health? And I can make an hour-long video about this, but I will just take up the most important part here. So let me show you one of the easiest practices that is scientifically proven to make you more happy, and that is gratitude journal. Every morning, take 2 minutes, get a pen and a paper, not your phone, actual paper, and write down one thing or more that you are grateful for, and be specific. This morning I wrote, "I am so grateful for my warm cup of coffee that I can drink in peace with my girlfriend." And it sounds really simple, maybe even silly, but here is what happens. When you practice gratitude daily, your brain will literally rewire itself. It starts to automatically look for things to be grateful for throughout the day. You will start to notice the good things, and your baseline mood will improve. So don't skip this step. 2 minutes every morning, that's it. It's the difference between grinding through life and actually enjoying the journey. And step 4, define your mission. Now we get to the deep stuff. What's your purpose? What's your mission? And no, I'm not asking what grades you want to get, or how much money you want to make, or what car you want to drive in. Those are goals. I'm asking about something bigger. What were you put on this earth to do? What problems do you want to solve? What impact do you want to have? What would you do even if nobody paid you to do it? That is the big questions. And this might take time to answer, and that is okay. But here's the question that might help you. How big would you dream if you knew you couldn't fail? And seriously, think about that. If failure wasn't a possibility, what would you do? What would you build? What would you become? Write it down. Let yourself dream without limits. Because that impossible dream, that is what's pointing towards your real purpose. Take 10 minutes this week. Sit down somewhere quiet, no phone, and just think about this question and write whatever comes to mind. Don't judge it, just explore. Your mission will pull you through the hard days. It will give you meaning and discipline, and it will make everything else worth it. And step 5, take action now. And this is it, the most important step, the one that separates people who change from people who just watch videos about changing. Everything you have learned so far is useless without this step, taking action. And right now you are probably thinking that this is good stuff, I should do this. But let me tell you what most people do. They close this video, they feel motivated for about 30 minutes, and then they go back to their old life. Nothing changes. Or they say, I will start on Monday. Monday comes and they say, actually, next Monday. Next Monday comes and they have forgotten completely. And here's the truth. If you don't start today, right after this video ends, you probably never will. So let me make this incredibly easy for you. Here's exactly what you need to do. Tomorrow morning, you meditate for 3 minutes. Set a timer, sit down quietly and focus on your breathing. Do 30 push-ups and of course modify them if you need to, and then work for 50 minutes on something that matters. No phone, just focus. And lastly, write down one thing that you are grateful for. And the goal for this week is to unfollow people online who drain you and start to follow people who inspire you. And then spend 10 minutes thinking about your mission. Write freely, no judgment. And I can tell you right now, if you don't have the energy or the time to do this, you won't be able to change, ever. You will stay in the exact same position as you are right now. And the goal for the next 21 days is to do these morning habits every single day. Same time, no excuses, no breaks. And that's it. That's all you have to do. In 21 days, these habits will feel natural. In 3 months, your life will look different. And in 1 year, you won't recognize yourself. but only if you actually do it. It's your decision. Right now, you're at a crossroad. You have two paths in front of you. Path 1, you close this video and think that was interesting. Then continue living your life exactly as you did before. Same habits, same results, same life. And path 2, you feel that uncomfortable excitement in your chest. You start today, you push through the resistance, and you become someone different. And the decision is entirely yours. No one can make it for you. I can motivate you, and your friends can push you, but you have to choose. And if you want some sort of accountability from me or someone else, leave a comment down below saying they won. And that is your commitment to yourself. And I will also ask you if you actually did it. And now, go and take action. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.